Imagine a community devastated by war for 20 years, a place where clean water and medical care are scarce, and where 80% of adults are unemployed. That's the reality of the Acholi tribe in northern Uganda, a forgotten people group of over 1.9 million that have been ravaged by the wrath of the Lord's Resistance Army for 2 decades. Four Corners Ministries began in 2003 with the simple goal of engaging rural churches with our God's global mission by sending short-term mission teams. We believe that Jesus is worthy to be worshipped by every tribe, so it's our desire to be obedient to Matthew 28:19 and make disciples of all nations. God began expanding and clarifying this goal in 2011 when we sent our first missionaries to engage the war-torn Acholi people with the gospel. In 2012, Four Corners Ministries purchased 100 acres of land in the village of Kanene in the shadow of a toe hill to build Abaana's Hope, a community within a community to communicate and demonstrate the gospel of Jesus Christ to the Acholi tribe. The greatest impact of Abaana's Hope is that of its church, Living Stones Community Church. Through Sunday worship and weekly discipleship classes, the men, women, and children of Kanene are taught about the love of Jesus Christ and what it means to be His follower. The most vulnerable children in the community are identified by the elders of the church and become a part of the Child Development Program. These children and others in the community have access to an education based on a biblical worldview at Living Stones Christian School. Women who have been abandoned find shelter with their children at the Women's Refuge Center. These women receive employment at the piggery, and others receive training through Life Beads Ministry in making jewelry that provides income with dignity for their families. The sick and suffering receive compassionate care at the medical clinic. Men and women learn agricultural techniques and find employment opportunities on the farm, which grows food for the school and the community. Men called to preach from surrounding villages and refugee camps are equipped to articulate the gospel clearly and shepherd a flock through the Pastor Training Center. The gospel is being proclaimed and broadcasted weekly through the Truth Matters radio program. All these ministries are gospel-centered, allowing our 4 missionary families to do life with and make disciples of the Acholi people. We are grateful for this opportunity to be a part of our God's great redemptive story among the Acholi. Join us as we reach every tribe with the gospel of Jesus.
Go therefore and make disciples of all nations, baptizing them in the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit.
This is Abaana's Hope.